In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly add new users to HubSpot. Whether you're onboarding a new team member or expanding your team, mastering this process will streamline your workflow and get your team set up in no time. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot trial guide. This guide serves as a central hub, providing you access to the tools and configurations available in your HubSpot account. Once you've arrived on the page, the next step is to head over to the settings. You can find the settings icon, which usually looks like a gear, at the top right corner of your HubSpot interface. Clicking on this takes you a step deeper into HubSpot's functionalities, unlocking various customization options for you. After opening the settings, look for the section marked Users and Teams. This is where you can manage all aspects of user permissions and roles within your account. It's a dedicated area designed to help you keep track of who has access to what, and to ensure your team is structured exactly as needed for optimal performance. Within Users and Teams, you'll have access to a comprehensive overview of your current team and any changes you might want to consider. When you're in the Users and Teams section, you'll see an option to Create User. By selecting this, you're initiating the process to bring a new member into your account. This section is quite intuitive. It will prompt you to enter the necessary details for the new user, such as their name and email address. Taking the time to fill in these fields accurately is important, as this information is crucial for user identification and communication. Inside this form, you might also see options for setting user permissions. HubSpot allows you to define what areas of the account this new user can access. This step is essential for maintaining security and ensuring that every team member has the tools they need without over-accessing sensitive information. It can help to review what each permission level means before finalizing the setup. Once all the details are completed and you've adjusted the permissions to fit the role they will be carrying out, you can proceed by clicking the Create button. This confirms the creation of a new account user. With just a few clicks, you've successfully expanded your HubSpot team. Remember, every person you add is a chance to enhance your business operations, so ensuring that each user's settings are correctly aligned with their role is critical for maintaining a seamless workflow. By following these steps, you're not only adding a user, but you're also laying down the foundations for efficient and secure account management. Thanks for joining in to learn this quick process. Following these clear and manageable steps will empower you to keep your team updated and ready to tackle whatever comes next. Stay tuned for more helpful tips on using HubSpot effectively.